If you've ever had an old item that you're struggling to reuse, don't worry, because us here at Ready Set Viral are here to give you some amazing life hacks to turn old items into new ones. Cookie cutter shapes. For this one, get an old can of soda. We used an old can of Pepsi. Wipe off any dirt that is on it and cut off both ends of the can. Then, cut it open and cut 2 strips into the can, and once you're done that, place a small piece of double-sided tape onto one end of it. Shape it into whatever shape you desire. We did a heart, and close it off onto the double-sided tape. Now you'll be able to cut cookies perfectly. New designed wooden dresser. If you have a wooden dresser like so that you want to cover up some scratches or drawings or even just make it look nicer, first get some tape and start taping in all different kinds of directions to create triangles like we are doing right here. Then get different colors of wood paint and paint them within the triangles, trying not to go over the lines too much. Then, once it's all dry, peel off the tape and you will have an amazing designed dresser. Hair bun help. For those of you with long hair that want to put your hair into a bun, all you need to do is get a sock that you don't use anymore and cut off the tip of the sock. Then roll it just like this, and once you're done, you can make the perfect bun with your hair by rolling it down your ponytail. A new way to wash your dishes. If you have run out of good sponges to use to wash your dishes, and you have a bag of oranges laying around, all you have to do is get the package that the oranges have come in and scrunch it up like so that you can scrub your dishes just like you would with a sponge. A new way to hold your gardening tools. Springtime is coming up, which means you're going to need an amazing place to hold your tools while you're gardening around the backyard. If you have an old pair of jeans that you do not wear anymore, this will be the perfect trick. First, cut off both of the pant legs so that they look like shorts now. Unbutton the pants and cut along the face of the jeans so that it looks just like this. Once you're done, you'll be able to button this around your waist and use the back pockets as holders for all of your tools. Floor mop pad. If you have a floor mop and don't have any more replacement pads, all you have to do is get an old towel that you no longer use and 4 small pieces of Velcro. Cut the towel into this shape shown here, and then get the pieces of Velcro and place them on the top of the bottom part of the towel, sew them in, and then flip over the top part of the towel and sew them in there as well. Then place the floor mop on it and you'll be able to Velcro the towel around. That way you won't have to go to the store any longer to get the replacement pads for your floor mop. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. Until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Make sure to stay tuned for all of our next content. Bye now!